Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, October the 18th, 2023. Yes, it's today war day number 602. 602 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed. There's another war, but it's in Israel against Hamas. Anyway, a lot of wars. We have today in the newspaper not so good news. Only two irregular puzzles: the Medium Sudoku and Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. We have no additional. Let me show you. No additional. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper of Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday we have 3 puzzles left in the additional. I will do those in the evening. But right now we have 2 regular puzzles, and the first one I will solve is the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7291. Yeah, let me focus. Oh, yeah, 7291. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, and that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 7. Alright, 4, 6, 3. We have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 7, need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Okay, we need a 5 here. Interesting, need a 1 here. Need a 2 here, need a 5, need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 8 and a 6 in this row, so no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. So the other 3 missing numbers should be the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 9, 9. 3 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, okay. 6, 6. Need 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, and look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there, so the 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 8, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 7. And we need a 5 here. Okay. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Yeah, 7 in that column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 6 here. And I need a 4 here. Okay. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. Come on, the 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 1. Yeah. 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 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. See a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 9, 9. 9 and the 2. 7 in this column. Oh wait, we need a 7 here. Do we have all the ones? Yes. 4, 3, 3 and a 6 in this column. 3 and a 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. See here, 3 in last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for 3 could be here, could be there. See here, 3 in this row, no 3 there. Only place left for 3 should be there. Alright, 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes already passed. Let me think. 6, 3. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, okay. 1 box left in the middle column for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing 2 numbers left in this big square for the man. 1, 2 is missing 3, 4, 5 is missing 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Alright. Here also 2 and the 5 are missing in this column. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes and there. Then 6, 6, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also 4 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for almost 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes here, also 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. And only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, then 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 2 goes there. 8 and 9, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 4 should be here. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes, 30 minutes, 12 minutes. Well, we solve again, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block, in Japanese, Suguru. Until then, bye-bye for now.